Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna share with you this Moroccan sweet that we usually make in Ramadan. It's made of almonds, so it's like a samosa, but it's made of almond and honey. Easy to make, and show you the ingredients right now. So I have 200 grams of almond powder toasted, and I have 2 jars of almond butter, the smooth one or the other one. I have 3 to 4 pieces of meska made to powder, and I have 1 tablespoon of cinnamon powder and 1 tablespoon of liquid glucose, and I also have the honey and 1 tablespoon of orange jam. So as you can see, I bought the almond as powder and I just toasted it. You can also fry the almonds and then blend them if you want. So I added 1 tablespoon of orange jam and 1 tablespoon of cinnamon powder, and I also added 1 tablespoon of liquid glucose. I also have this video in my channel in Arabic. So I'm just gonna mix them together first, and then I will add the almond butter. So I added 2 jars of almond butter. You don't have to add the almond butter, but it just gives it a really nice taste. Just keep mixing it until you get like a mixer that you can make small balls from it. As you can see, I'm gonna make like small balls. So 200 grams of the almonds give me that much small balls, and I have here the spring roll pastry. I cut it to like long rectangles, and I also have the flour mixed with a little bit of water, just so you can stick the samosas in the end. So I'm making small sizes. So I'm just gonna take a small ball of the almonds. I'm just gonna put it in the end of the spring roll, and I'm gonna keep rolling it like in a triangle shape from one side to the other until you reach the end. And then you're gonna put a little bit of the flour and water so it can stick to each other and doesn't open when you put it in the oven. You have it. So I keep going until I finish the quantity. I put them in the oven. You can literally fry them if you want, but I keep the recipe healthy, so I didn't fry them. I didn't fry the almonds and I didn't fry the samosa itself. So I just gonna put them in the oven. So keep going from one side to the other until you have a small triangle in the end. That's it. So I'll put them in the oven until it's crispy, and then straight away, while they're still hot, I have honey ready. So I'm gonna put them straight away in honey and leave them there for a few minutes to absorb the honey, and there you have it. Thank you for watching.